Hey team, it's Mr. Z, and today we're going to look at how to add mixed numbers and kind of go over some review. Let's dive on in. So in order to find the least common multiple of both denominators, this is going to be the common denominator, the LCM. We're going to rewrite each fraction using a common denominator, and then we're going to add. So let's go ahead and look at number 1. Immediately my brain scans for the denominators, and I see 8 and 2. So I'm going to be using a sequence to generate the LCM. Since 2 is smaller, I'm going to go ahead and write 2, 4, 6, 8, and it's revealed that 8 is the LCM. And that's okay that the first fraction isn't necessarily going to change. But the second one, 1/2, is going to go ahead and be adjusted. How many 2's make 8? 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 is the fourth term, so I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator, rewriting the problem to be an equivalent expression of 1 and 4/8. Notice how I only multiplied it to the fraction portion. Now, I'm going to be adding. I'm going to do 3 plus 1, which is 4. I'm going to do 5 plus 4 is 9 over 8. Now, because this is 9 over 8, if I were to do the division for that, 9 divided by 8, first in line, first in the box. How many 8's go in 9? 1. 8 times 1 is 8. And I get 1. I go around the world. And I can get an equivalency of 4 and then 1 and 1/8. I'm going to add those two together, and I get 5 and 1/8. Notice how I use long division to convert my improper fraction. The reason why 9/8 I had to simplify was because it was the numerator was bigger than the denominator, meaning that there was another whole to be found. Let's go ahead and do another one. So I immediately scan the denominator. I see 3. I see 4. So I'm going to write out my list, a sequence for 3 and 4, repeatedly adding to generate 4, 8, 12, 16. Now I see the LCM is 12. So we're going to have to adjust both fractions. So 2 and 2/3. How many 3's make 12? Well, 12 is the fourth term in the multiples of 3. Let me look at 1/4. Well, 12 is the third term of the multiples of 4. I only multiplied the fractional part, and I get an equivalent fraction of 2/8 over 12 plus 2 and 3/12. Now I'm going to go ahead and add. I'm going to take the whole numbers and add them together. 2 plus 2 is 4. I'm going to add my numerators. 8 and 3 make 11 over 12. And there's no need to simplify. Complete the rest of these problems and make sure you report back how you feel about the topic and communicate anything you don't understand. That's it for now. Ciao.